In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a form using Tally, a popular online form building tool. Whether you're setting out to collect information for a survey, a feedback form, or just about any form of data collection, Tally makes it seamless and intuitive. So let's dive right into the process and get you started quickly. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Tally website. Once you're there, locate the form you plan to work on. It's helpful to have the form open, so keep it in a handy tab on your browser. Next up, we're going to focus on highlighting the section of your form that needs customization. Keep an eye out for any highlights, or you'll miss out on how you can better engage with your form. It's all about making sure each section of the form stands out to your audience. As you move on, you'll be selecting the multiple choice option for your form. Multiple choice questions are fantastic for gathering clear, structured responses. They allow respondents to quickly choose from defined options, reducing confusion and helping you gather precise data. After selecting the multiple choice option, it's time to insert it into your form. Pay attention to the placement, ensuring it aligns well with your form structure and logic. Each element should flow naturally into the next to maintain a seamless experience for the user. Now you'll want to type in the highlight options. Think carefully about the text you choose here, as it needs to be clear and concise. The goal is to make sure respondents understand exactly what is being asked without room for misinterpretation. Following that, click on the A icon, which is typically associated with editing and formatting text. This step allows you to adjust the text's appearance, such as changing font styles or sizes, making your form visually appealing. Remember, presentation matters almost as much as content. It's time to add options for each of your multiple choice questions. Click on Add option to incorporate as many possible choices as necessary for your form. Each option should be distinct and clearly articulated to avoid confusion and ensure accurate responses. Finally, complete the rest of the choices in your multiple choice section before moving on to the next part of your form. Ensure that each choice reflects the range of responses you're expecting, and double check for any errors that could mislead respondents. And there you have it, a straightforward way to harness the power of Tally to create effective forms for any occasion. With these